my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa and I am Southern Tea Time. So in this video, I would love to share with you guys my August weekly sticker kit lineup. And I recently purchased 4 sticker kits from a shop that I am new to, but I think I am going to definitely be ordering again from this shop. And this is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. This shop had an Oops grab bag sale a few weeks ago, and I jumped on it as fast as I could and got as much as I can. So I picked up about 4 because they were actually going really fast. So I picked up 4 kits and I'm going to go over them with you. Now I will let you know, since I already went ahead and kind of peeked through this sticker kit, there are going to be some imperfections on here that are very, very minute, and it doesn't bother me, and you probably won't even be able to tell. But if I see them, I will definitely try to point them out. And also, some of these sticker kits, even though it is still the summertime, I wasn't able to choose like a theme for some of the kits. So there are some fall sticker kits in here. I was going to wait until fall to use them, but I'm definitely going to be using them right now because I definitely need to go ahead and start planning for the rest of the week for this month, or for the rest of this month. So I just want to let you know that. So we're going to start off with the Lovely sticker kit. That's the name of it, Lovely sticker kit. And we're going to check that out. And I think it's about 3 sticker sheet pages in here. And so we have some of the full boxes here with gold foil on there. And then we have a beautiful quote that says, "Be the best version of you." And so just to notate some of the like oops in here, the foil, some of the foil are coming off on there. And so you have like little specks of missing foil, but that doesn't bother me, y'all. But you probably can't even tell. The boxes down here at the bottom, they are cut a little taller. And so the line didn't come all the way down to this line. It's kind of high up here. And I believe this sticker is supposed to start at the top here, but it's all the way up here on this sticker. So let me see if I can peel it off and let you see. So it kind of ran over on this page. But again, that doesn't bother me. I think it actually just goes well because you already have that color here at the bottom. But that's the only 2 imperfections that I can see from this page here. Next up, we get some border stickers as well as some days of the week stickers on this side. And then we get some habit trackers here. And then these are in gold foil. Look at that. This is so cute, y'all. I love that. Again, I do see some imperfections in the foil. I do see some little bubbles in the foil here at the... I don't know if you can see that, but it has like little bubbles in it. But again, that doesn't bother me. I am definitely going to be using this. So you have a strip here that is like a floral strip with gold foil. And then here you have like a scallop foil like this. You have that. So you have different variations. So this would be good to use in my weekly spread in my catch-all planner. All right, and so here we get some half boxes. Again, the only imperfections that I can tell right offhand are from the foil with some bubbles and some scratches on the foils on there. But again, these are just beautiful still. So yeah, and then we get some little flower stickers here at the bottom, like flower icons, like that, little petals. I think that's cute. And then we get some flag stickers within this little background here. So that was a glance at the Lovely sticker kit from Alyssa's Craft Shop. That was part of her Oops kit grab bag. All right, and so the next kit is called Fall. Again, like I said, I know we are still in the summertime, and I am still enjoying the summertime just a little bit, but I also enjoy fall. And so I was really excited to go ahead and see that I already have like a sticker kit for fall. But I am going to use this for my August kit for one of the weeks, maybe the 3rd week of August. I'm not for sure. I don't have these kits in any particular order right now, but I will be definitely using this. But I got some fall stickers. I actually got fall as well. So I want to show this to you. So here it is. This one has a quote. It says, "And all at once, summer collapsed into fall." I think that is so cute. But yes, fall won't be here until September, but I'm definitely going to be using this because I do have my eyes on some other fall sticker kits that I want to use when fall rolls around. Again, we have some of these beautiful Days of the Week stickers, some washi tape strips here, and then some habit tracker stickers here. I don't really see much imperfections on this kit. Here we have some header stickers with the little ribbon bows on there. Then we have some stars and some polka dots on there. All right, and then we have some half boxes here, gold foil. Again, I do see a little bit of bubble in some of the foil here and here. But as far as like the cut, it looks pretty good. I think some of the cut is a little offline on some of these stickers, but again, some of these stickers are like minor imperfections, but they are still amazing to use. And these sticker kits were amazing at amazing price. So I'm really excited that I was able to grab what I could, because again, they were selling out really, really fast. All right, so my next kit is called Autumn. I love the burgundy, the orange, and like the yellows with this gold foil on there, and just the little accents of purple. So this is starting to like become my favorite color, and I think this is like the fall color for me. So we get this full box here with decorative in there, and then the quote sticker that says, "Leaves are falling, autumn is calling." And then we get like a little messy bun girl here with her back turned. And then we get some washi strips with some little leaf icons. You have leaves, acorns on there, and the gold foil. And then we have some days of the week. Now, I will say it's a little hard to kind of see the days of the weeks on this sticker. I don't know if it's because of the color or if it's because of the foil, but it's a little hard to kind of read a little bit. And then again, we get some habit tracker stickers here. And then the third page is full box, or half boxes, I'm sorry. Our colorful boxes as well with some polka dots. We do have two flower stickers and then some flag stickers within this background of this flower print here. And then we get some half stickers here at the bottom. All right, and so that was the autumn. And then last but not least, I did pick up a monthly kit, and this is a July monthly kit. And I picked this up because I want to do I do want to do a rewind spread in my catch-all / home planner, because I was a little late in finding that right planner for me for August or for the mid-year. And so I said, well, since I do have July in there, I will go ahead and just do a sticker kit, because I did not plan at all for July. I did use my everyday carry daily planner to use as my backup, and then I can just kind of reference my daily planner and then take off some of those tasks and things that I've done from there onto my monthly. But I did pick up a July monthly kit. I don't believe this was an oops. I don't believe. Let me double check. No, so this was not an oops. But I did pick up her July kit, and it has silver foil in there. And then you have some boxes here, and then some flag stickers here. Oh, and then I have some flag stickers here at the top. All right, and then next up are these pages here with the date dots here at the bottom in silver foil. And then, oh, I got some more date dots. So I got some more date dots here, and I have some little sidebar stickers I can use. I'm definitely going to be using it in my monthly. And I like how it's breaking up on there. And then I have some rectangle boxes I can use for appointments and all of that. So that was my sticker kit, August weekly sticker kit haul that I am going to be using for this lineup. All right, so that was a look at my August weekly sticker kit lineup. I am really excited. I absolutely love the sticker kits from Alyssa's craft shop. And so let me know what was your favorite in this lineup. I will definitely be doing plan with me's or even decorate with me's for this month and for the weekly. So you'll get an opportunity to see these sticker kits again and actually see them in how they look in my spread. I also got this beautiful postcard that says, "Girls just wanna have sun." I think it's really cute, and I think it's really cute to just kind of put like a cute little picture frame, because y'all know I love to do that. And then I also got this June monthly little strip stickers here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to comment what was your favorite sticker kit. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.